Your wallet might look weak right now, but that's about to change. I'm dropping the ultimate guide on how to pump and dump a coin for max profits. Okay, let's go through this methodically, but before we start, don't even consider Pump Fund for your meme coin. It's over. Fire up Photon and set it to Pump Fund's DEX. The amount of new tokens is insane. In this moment, Bape and Taban hit the scene, but they're doomed. The market's a mess because Pump Fund requires zero effort to deploy a coin. Set up Raydium's DEX and you'll spot the madness. A mere 5 coins launched in 2 minutes, but demand is off the charts. Check the liquidity and market cap. They're absolutely insane. What makes this special? The barrier to entry. Launching meme coins with Raydium requires technical skills that make the projects legitimate. When developers know what they're doing, the money follows. That's the Raydium advantage. Let me break down the process. Launch Tool just broke the entire Raydium game. No more struggling with code. You can create a meme coin in less than 5 minutes. This method has been giving me non-stop profits for 1 consecutive month. First, let's start with the logo creation. Here's the play. Open Canva and create a 128 by 128 design. If you've watched my content before, you recognize my obsession with the cartoons themes. So I chose this Homer Simpson. Customize it quick and download couldn't be simpler. Finished with logo? Perfect. First move, go back to Launch Tool and sync up your Phantom wallet. Add the name and symbol for the token. I'm rolling with Homer Simpson for display name and Homer as symbol. I'll skip the description, but you can write something if you want. Upload your logo and continue. Don't adjust decimals or supply. Defaults are golden. Advance to next step. Quick pro tip. Skip creator info to save that 0.1 Solana. Just turn it off. The social media links are unnecessary for launching in Raydium. Ignore them completely. Listen up. Never remove the 0.3 Solana security features. That's instant red flag territory. Leave all permissions untouched and smash that Launch My Token Now button. One final step. Wait a second and confirm the transaction, and just like that, your token's breathing on Solana. Let's verify in SolScan right now to confirm. Boom! Token verified on SolScan. We're rolling. Time for the most important part, creating the liquidity pool. Skip this, and you'll have a token nobody can actually trade with wild price swings that'll scare everyone off. All right, moment of truth. Go back to Launch Tool and click on Create Liquidity Pool. It'll auto-direct to Raydium. Your meme token needs registration first. Copy your token address in Launch Tool and paste it in. Add the name and symbol. I'll use Homer and Homer Simpson. Click on Add User Token to go live. Your billion token arsenal. Let's put 900 million directly into liquidity. For the quote token, we'll use Solana. Take your Solana to the max and keep 0.2 to cover fees. This is your golden ticket. Literally can't lose as the meme coin creator. Set those sweet fees to 2% and cash in later. Check out your settings, then hit that Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Confirm the transaction, and congratulations, your coin is now available for trading and ready for insane profits. Your token's now headlining Photon's main board. All eyes are on it now as volume starts pouring in. Want to monitor every single price movement? I'll show you exactly how to track this like a pro. First, go to dexscreener.com and pull up any random token. Now, flip back to Launch Tool and copy your token address. Paste it into DexScreener's URL, overwriting whatever's there, and boom, instant chart. Now play the waiting game while buyers roll in. Pro tip, don't forget to watch the liquidity. Also, keep refreshing Raydium's portfolio page, set it to standard view until your balance materializes. Might take a few minutes, but it's coming. We have our first buys and a good one for almost $80 in just 7 minutes, which leaves our liquidity at $638 and the market cap at almost $500. We continue generating profits, another great buy for over $130, and look at that liquidity at over $900 and our market cap at $1,000. We have our third big buy for almost $110 in less than 15 minutes, which puts our liquidity and market cap above $1,000. Now is a good time to remove the liquidity and take our profits. Go to Raydium's portfolio section and switch to standard view. This shows your real positions. Click on the minus icon. Crank that slider to 100% to expose your full liquidity pool position. Peep the Solana value underneath. That's your actual exit price. Hit remove liquidity, approve the transaction in your wallet, and voila, confirmation that your funds are secured. Payday alert. Open your wallet, watch it update, and stare at those beautiful profits. I just doubled my money in minutes. The absurd part? This method takes zero skill. You can run this back to back until you're stacking generational wealth. This method's straight fire, but the window won't stay open forever. Squeeze every drop while you can. This is educational only, no platform partnerships here. But if you're chasing rapid flips, this is currently the glitch in the matrix. All aboard before this opportunity evaporates.